What's going on, y'all? It's Osaro.jpg from Untitled. Welcome back to yet another video. So like I said in my last video, I told you guys I'm going to be more consistent, get more content, keep you guys engaged and whatnot. So with that being said, I have another sneaker review for you guys today. Yeah, a lot of you retro sneakerheads might recognize this old box from the 2000s. Let's take a look inside. So without further ado, today I have a pair of Lightning Jordan 4s. Yes, sir. Released in 2006. This is a very rare sneaker. This sneaker right here is highly sought after. These right here are a size 12, and I believe these can go from anywhere to $2,000 to $4,000 depending on where you purchase from and the condition of the shoe and etc. As to why this sneaker is so highly sought after and why it's such a grail, it's still a little bit of a mystery to me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really don't know the full story, but I do know that I think Michael Jordan gave these sneakers to his race team or something like that back in the early 2000s, and they used this sneaker as a rollout for it, and then it released in 2006 in limited quantities. Then they later released in 2006 in limited quantities, and then yeah, that's all I really know about the history of the sneaker. So I just know it's a grail. It goes from $2,000 to $4,000, highly sought after. And over the past month or so, these have been rumored to drop next year. As far as the specs of the shoe, it has that yellow nubuck suede throughout the sneaker. And then it has that cool gray sole. Like the hue on this sneaker is like the same hue as those NMD Human Races that Pharrell put out a few years ago. It reminds me of that. But it also has that cool gray sole on the bottom. And also I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video. Thank you to Omgkix for sending me these pairs of shoes. Yeah, big shout out to Omgkix.com. Go to their website, Omgkix.com, and check out their store, go to their website. And then if you wanted a pair of these, you could get $15 off at checkout by typing in LK as a coupon code at checkout. So again, that's Omgkix.com. that sponsored this video. They sent me these sneakers. Yeah, these Jordan 4s are amazing quality. I would definitely recommend to anyone that's into hype sneakers. They're a Chinese wholesaler. They sell UA and authentic sneakers. So you could get yourself a pair of these for about $160. And like I said, you could also use that coupon code LK at checkout, and then you'll be all set up this holiday season. Yeah, so with all that being said, make sure you like and subscribe. Osaro.jpg, lids and kicks. Let's get to some B-roll, some on-feet shots, just to give you guys an idea of what these might look like with a fit, and also just rocking the sneaker in an everyday setting. Like I said, big shout out to Omgkix.com. Their link is in the description. Type in LK at checkout for a $15 discount. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. More videos are on the way. Like I said, like and subscribe. Let's get it.